everyone. Today, the thousands of people are from here, from New York and New Jersey. If I'm not wrong, I heard like they say like 11 buses from New York and New Jersey. Most of them are from New York. So we came here as a welcome to His Holiness the 40th Dalai Lama. And what we are saying is we didn't come here to challenge or to against the Doji student group, because we don't have to against anything, because what we feel is we feel sorry for them to be brainwashed by the CCP government, or to work only for the money and sacrifice their country and blame to His Holiness the 40th Dalai Lama. And in the world, everybody knows this. The His Holiness Dalai Lama is like the star in the world. Everyone believes this. But some of these people just blame and just bully His Holiness the 40th Dalai Lama because of just the money. So what I'm clearly saying is like we don't feel any scared, we don't feel sad here, because when I see those people who against the His Holiness Dalai Lama, the 99% are foreigner people and only 1% maybe from Tibetan. So that means I can say I saw only like 4 or 5 Tibetan people, and other people, most of them are like foreigner people. Like I can't really recognize where are they from exactly, but they are non-Tibetan. So that means they are working on the payroll. They get the pay from CCP. So those people, they have zero knowledge about Buddhism. They have zero knowledge about the student group. They have zero knowledge about the political issue of Tibet between China. But they run where the money goes. They done everything for the money. They did and they are doing. So we don't feel any sorry for this. We just let them do whatever they want. But for 6 million people of Tibet, 99% of Tibetan are believe and actually welcome to His Holiness Dalai Lama. We did stand for His Holiness for the Dalai Lama. We are and we will forever stand with His Holiness the 40th Dalai Lama. Thank you so much.